Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi, a YouTube channel that covers a lot of Mitsubishi stuff and a lot of all new Outlander. Today we're looking at a 2022 brand new body style Outlander, and we'll cover this thing that Mitsubishi calls winter innovations. So basically what it is, it's some stuff that Mitsubishi added to make your life easier in winter conditions. So if you live somewhere where it's cold and snowy, this might be for you. Now let's have a look what those winter innovations are all about. Okay, number one, it's standard windshield wiper de-icer. So it comes standard, and again, this is Canadian spec vehicle. I don't know, different markets might have different standard things. In California, I assume you don't need windshield wiper de-icers, but here in Canada we do. So this is standard on all of them. So we can see, if we lift them up, you can see right here is this brownish line that is basically where the windshield wipers rest when they're not working, and that part is the heating element. So this part warms up. We can see kind of right here, it goes in square right here, and let's check out how they turn on. So with this button here from the inside, okay, let's turn the vehicle on. Now here's this button right here. So this button turns those de-icers on. So now when you turn them on, essentially what happens, this heating element starts to warm up the windshield where the wipers rest. So this one here, then it's not prevents from ice built up. It's a really good thing to have if you live in cold, snowy climates. So okay, that was number one, standard windshield wiper de-icer. Let's check the second one now. And number two for winter innovations is standard capless fuel filler. So you don't have to freeze your hands off or risk to get your glove dirty in sub-zero temperatures while removing the cap, right? So we just open up like that, and there we go, capless fuel filler. So you just stick the nozzle in, fill it up, and that's it. So there's no more caps, right? So that thing is gone. Again, if you lived through some winters, you probably know how cold it is. If you're like, you know, hands are like no gloves and you take them off and there's like wind and sometimes even snow coming your way, you really freeze your hands off. And it also speeds up the process, right? So now you just literally hop, open the lid, you put the nozzle in, fill it up, and that's it. So there's no more caps that you need to basically remove. So that's it. And that's actually, you know, even if you live in warmer climates, it's just a convenience thing. But Mitsubishi puts this under winter innovations category because that's a thing that you're going to appreciate a lot in winter months. Okay, let's have a look at the third one. And the third winter innovations thing is a standard heated power side view mirrors. So these things come standard with heated element in them. So really good thing. Again, it's probably more so important in a colder climates, right? So it actually defrosts the entire thing. If it's rainy, same thing. We can see the raindrops here. They'll basically evaporate and be gone in a second, right? So this one here is a good thing to have in case you want your clear view of your surroundings without any ice, without any raindrops. So that comes standard heated power side mirrors. It's a big important thing. A lot of people put a lot of value in those things. Okay, so let's recap real quick. 3 things that are under winter innovations from Mitsubishi. Standard windshield wiper de-icer to keep your wiper free of ice built right here. Then you have the standard capless fuel filler right there, and you have standard heated power side view mirrors. So those are 3 winter innovations for Mitsubishi on the brand new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more material about the Outlander and Mitsubishi. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.